Alright, so Amazon just dropped a new product. They've dropped a few of them and we went ahead and pre-ordered them. They arrived today. This is the Echo Pop. Brand new. It retails for about $40. It's basically like a new version of an Echo Dot, except it is facing towards you rather than the sky. We have the new colorway here. This is like a blue version. This works with Bluetooth, hands-free with the Amazon Assistant. And yeah, basic packaging. Pretty nice packaging, actually. Let's go ahead and check it out. This one actually looks a lot smaller than I thought, but we're going to see how it is. Alright, so it has little steps here on the top. Let's check it out. This actually looks pretty nice. Wow, this is really way smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but maybe that might not be a deal breaker. It just has one singular power port, and then it has buttons and microphones here on the top. So this looks really nice. This actually might look really nice in my setup. I got the blue colorway, but I actually would have gotten like a black. I just wanted to see their new colorway, to be honest. But it looks like we do have some other stuff here. So we have their quick start guide. It says Echo Pop, bonjour. Looks like it does have multiple colors. That would be actually really crazy if it has multiple colors finally. That way it's not just blue. Yup. Alright, so this is the first Amazon Assistant to actually offer multiple colors in the light bar, which is crazy. The light bar here is at the top of the device, which is easy to see. I'm actually really hyped about it. I don't know anything about the product. I'm hoping it's good. Looks like we have 6 colors here. So we have red, blue, orange, purple, yellow, and green. Looks like green is for calling, the standard power supply that you get with every single Amazon device. Alright, so we have the Echo Pop here. We're going to go ahead and set this up. So like I said, it just has one singular port, which is really nice. It is a 15 watt power supply, which is not that much power to be consumed. Check it out. There it is. So it has a blue little indicator light. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go to the Amazon Assistant app. I know this is setting up, but we will go ahead and show you how to set this up on the fly. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to press the plus, add device. That actually sounds pretty good. Just from that, I doubt
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Suivez les instructions. Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
I instantly got prompted with
Your
that.
Echo is ready.
Wow. What time is it?
It's 8:20 p.m.
What day is it?
It's Wednesday, May 31st.
If you buy this with an Amazon account, it'll automatically register it. Insane and mind-blowing to my knowledge. Like, it's just crazy. So I have a light bulb here on the side. We're gonna see if we could change the color, turn it on and off, etc. So right now it's in the yellow mode, which means that it should have a new notification, I believe. Read new notification.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. 2 shipments have arrived, including Rode Video Micro.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess the yellow was the indicator for a new notification and then went away. Turn off bulb color 6.
Okay.
Wow. Bulb color 6.
Okay.
I don't know why it's named bulb color 6, but we could change it instantly like that. Change bulb color 6 to red.
Okay.
You see how instant that was? That was quick. And I also have light bars here in the back. We're going to try to turn those on. Turn on light bars.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I've been missing Alexa. I accidentally broke mine. No, stop. I accidentally broke mine. So it's nice to have it back in here. And this sounds pretty good. And it also comes with 90 days of free music. You know how the Amazon Assistant, I'm not going to say your name, but you know how whenever you say the name on the older generations, it doesn't really pick up your voice all that much. We're going to see if this actually will, it's literally a different design. It's half. This is actually how the Dot should have been, you know? The show here, if you were to do the show, it just pops up on the bottom. It'll pop up a little purple ring right there. I don't know if you're able to see that. But you have that, and then if you were to go to notification, it'll turn yellow right there as well. This one, very dominant. You can see that. There we go. That's pretty sensitive. Let me see if I can whisper it. Alexa. Wow, that was... Hold on. But for right now, this thing is pretty light. It's made out of polycarbonate, like most of their products. The fabric on top is pretty nice. They do have the kid versions as well, so if you want a certain animal, or for this, go into pairing mode.
Searching. I don't see anything to connect. Check the device you'd like to use, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. To set up a new device, go
Stop.
to your Alexa app, now connected to Bluetooth.
Wow, that was fast. So you just tell it to pair, it'll go into pairing mode, and it instantly popped up on Bluetooth. That is easily the newest gen of Bluetooth right there. And we're gonna do the same thing. You can play, pause, skip, change volume, all that on this without having to touch your phone. That's amazing. I like that feature. The sound quality is very bad when it's above 70%. So I don't recommend listening to music when you're on this. It is decent if you're listening at very low, but if you want something blasting, the show does a little bit of a better job than the pop. But for $40, you can't go wrong. I'm pretty sure this would be probably 25 to 30 bucks on Prime Day, so I definitely recommend getting one of these during Prime Day. But for specifically sound, it's not worth it. I will check out this in Amazon Prime Day, so I highly recommend you guys to check that out. Without further ado, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.